With me to feed the birds this morning on this frosty morning, keep them fed, keep them warm, and yeah, get the nutrition that they need. So let's get out and fill these bird feeders. So yeah, we've got us fat balls, we've got us bird seed, and we need to get these bird feeders filled up this morning, as some of them are getting pretty low. We have to keep them fed, keep the birds happy. They love these fat balls, absolutely. We need to get some more though, we're running low. I'll have to pop the B&Ms and get some more bird feed for the plot. I do love to see the blue tits down here, and they usually nest on my plot as well, which is a bonus. So yeah, we've got two of these bird fat feeders on the plot. It's very slippy, very icy this morning. Down at the plot I nearly fell then. That would have been good catching that on camera. So yeah, we need to get some more fat balls. They'll usually last about a week, depending on how hungry they are. But yeah, that's the fat feeders filled up. So yeah, I've got quite a few bird feeders to fill up. The issue I have with bird feeders is that the seed gets wet and then they don't flow down properly, as you can see. It gets wet in the bottom. I don't know if anybody's got any tips or advice so that they don't get wet in the bottom. I'd really appreciate it if you have. Mice will probably eat that. So yeah, we've got to fill all these up and get them all filled up. As you can see, the robins are waiting to be fed. And there we have it, the blue tits are coming. They know they've been filled up.